Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon mousse. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of cooked salmon, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of cold heavy cream. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh dill, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Having all your ingredients chilled is key for achieving that perfect, light mousse consistency. Now, let's create the creamy base for our mousse. Take your 8 ounces of cooked salmon and flake it into a food processor. Add the 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Blend these ingredients together until the mixture is incredibly smooth and there are no large salmon pieces remaining. This step ensures a luxurious, consistent texture for your delicious mousse. This next step is crucial for achieving that signature light and airy texture. In a separate bowl, whip 1/2 cup of very cold heavy cream until it forms beautiful, soft peaks. Now, with a gentle hand, carefully fold the whipped cream into your salmon base using a spatula. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of black pepper to enhance the flavors. Almost there, once your mousse is perfectly mixed, transfer it into a beautiful serving bowl or individual ramekins. Now comes the hardest part. Patience. You'll need to chill the salmon mousse in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows it to firm up and for the flavors to meld wonderfully. Before serving, add a lovely garnish like fresh dill sprigs or delicate cucumber slices. Enjoy your elegant homemade salmon mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.